everyone, I just wanted to do an update on my project pan for 2023. This is update 3, update 2, third video, second update, I guess. Anyway, for those who don't know, project pan for makeup means that you're using up the product and you have a goal to use up the product by the end of the year usually. Eyeshadows and other powder products are pressed into these metal pans, and as you start to use them up, you actually can see parts of the pan at the bottom. It's actually really rewarding and motivating. I chose this little LA Colors purple palette. I've had it forever, and I have plenty of other palettes that have these colors in it now, so I decided to try and use this up this year. I had already made progress in this purple one here. It's got a bigger hole in it now, but I also just started to hit pan in this little white powder here, trying to get it to reflect in the camera. I really thought I would hit it with this one first because I was using it as a highlighter. This one I was using a lot to kind of set my lids, or I actually used it a couple times as a highlighter as well. It's a little more subtle though. So I'm gonna keep going, of course. I'm a little worried about hitting pan in all 12 because this one, and this one were kind of worked into already. The others weren't. The next ones to go are probably going to be the brown and the white here. This brown is a nice little eyelid setter as well, and it's kind of a nice base color. It's similar to my skin tone, but it's still a little visible. It's like a neutral color. So I got a long way to go, but there's definitely progress here. And then the lipsticks I didn't do so good with. I decided not to measure them on camera because it was kind of boring on the last one, but there was this old Covergirl lipstick that I was trying to use up. It's called Vintage Wine. It was just a weird bright color on me. I mean, obviously I'm cool with bright colors. This is actually a black Radiance lipstick. These annoyingly do not have the name of it on it, but it's one of their purple, like, you know, magenta-y kind of colors. That's what I have my lips. On my eyes, I have a Jelly Matte shadow from Colourpop and some Wet n Wild glitter. The earrings I got from Amazon. I have these in every color. I love them, and I love the sound they make. I just think they're gorgeous. Anyway, so not much progress here. I went from basically 13/16 of an inch to 12/16, which boils down to 3/4 of an inch. So I got about 1/16 of an inch off. I used it for blush. I tried to use it for lipstick a couple times, and again, I just still didn't like it as much. My turtle is right there. And my lamp that I'm trying to use for lighting is reflecting in the turtle tank. Anyway, and then the other lipstick was so old that it's just called a fashion lipstick. It has a number 4 on it. It's just a nude color. And I did make some progress with this one. I was trying to use it at night for chapstick, but it just, like, the chapstick ones that are creamy, but I'm not gonna, like, wear them very often. I like that they smell good, or like that they're a little glittery or something, and this one just isn't. However, it's fairly moisturizing, and I've just been using it down at the office when I'm, you know, in my pajamas, but want to, I don't know, wear lipstick. It's working. I went from about an inch to 7/8 of an inch. So, I'm using it. There's a long way to go. It's definitely a difference from last time though. So, yeah, and I mean, I don't know. This one I may, the fashion one that is really old, I may just throw out at the end of the year anyway. This one is just stubborn. Like, I just can't seem to get rid of it. And it's too old to give to somebody or something like that. Anyway, yeah, that is it's technically, excuse me, it's March 1st. So this is my third video, second update. And I think that's all I have to say about that. So, thanks if you're watching this little progress. It's really fun to do, actually, and makes you think differently about your makeup. If you're doing a project pan, let me know below, and I will see you soon. Bye. I've had, so I got like maybe 1 millimeter off. Millimeter? Millimeters are for metric. What do you call it for this? 1/16?